What's up, guys? We're back again today with another great video, and in today's video we actually got some stuff sent out to us by Tutus to review, and this is actually going to be the first video that we're going to do for them. They sent us out a snow brush and a scraper, like a snow scraper, and we're going to do them in two separate videos. So let's go ahead and we'll jump into unveiling the snow brush. Probably the best snow brush I've actually seen, and you guys might want to pick it up. Christmas is coming around and all the cold weather's on its way, and your fiance hates being out there scraping snow off, your girlfriend, whoever, your mom and dad. Get them a good snow brush for Christmas so it's easy for them to go out and do it, and it's not like a chore. So let's go ahead, we'll jump into it. So you are seeing this just as I am. I have not opened up the box yet. So like I said, this is from Tutus, and I'll actually have the link down below if you guys want to buy this same snow brush. And this is an extendable snow brush, so it's really good because you can reach all the way across your windshield with it. So let's go ahead and we'll pop it open. As you guys see, they actually give you some, it looks like some, like snow scraping gloves or anything like that. If you guys don't have any gloves like that, you can put on while you're going out there and scraping the snow off. It's got this grippy texture on it so you can hold on to the scraper a little bit better. They also give you a microfiber towel, so I guess you can, kind of wipe your window off after you get, some of the ice scraped off. So now let's go ahead and we'll get into the snow brush itself. One other thing is they actually do give you a bag. This is really cool. So you guys have a bag right here to put inside your car. Really nice quality bag. Really cool logo on it. I really like that by them. And you can keep it in the back of your car all nice and neat. You don't just have to throw it in the back. A lot of those scrapers that you get at gas stations, stuff like that, they don't come with a bag, or they don't come apart. Like this one, as you guys can see right here, it actually comes apart and you can put it in the bag and store it, safely and kind of contained instead of it being everywhere and then this long, gigantic ice scraper that's in the way inside of your car. So let's go ahead and let's start taking out some of the items in here. If I can do it with one hand. All right, so your first item in here is this is actually the scraper that's going to go on one side of this extendable snow brush. So what's cool about this is obviously you can use it just like this. You can scrape. And what's really nice about this scraper right here is you can actually pop out this triangle piece right here. And what's really cool is it's got these teeth right here that you can put in your windshield wiper and scrape the ice off there. It's got this sharp edge right here to get, slight ice off or not a lot of ice. Then you've got your teeth right here to get off that really hard ice. And then it's got another straight edge. It almost works kind of like a squeegee. You can just wipe the water off once you get, the ice all busted up. So that's really cool that you can use it in a bunch of different ways. And that's really cool that it has this, this wiper blade scraper, because a lot of times people forget about the ice on your wiper blades. So let's go ahead and we'll set this part to the side here. And now we'll go ahead and we'll grab one of the extendable pieces here. As you guys can see, really nice. It's got good grips on it, easy to hold on to, and it's got this really good interlocking system so you don't have to worry about it popping apart on both sides. All right, so now we'll go ahead and get our other extension tube out right here. As you guys can see, this one's a little different than the other one. You've got your grip again, but on this one, it's actually got the extendable button. So you push this in and it allows this piece to come out. That's an extra probably 10 inches or so that you'll have to scrape all the way across your windshield. And of course, it still has the interlocking system just like the other one. So now let's go ahead and we'll get into the brush part. Right here, it actually comes with an extra squeegee that you can slide in. As you guys can see, really nice squeegee in case, your squeegee gets bad on the brush, because one side's a brush, one side's a squeegee. Let's go ahead and get the brush out itself. Obviously, your instruction manual is also in here if you guys want to check that out. And here is your brush. So as you guys can see, very nice brush. The bristles are pretty stiff, so it's going to be able to knock some of that heavy snow off. And right here, it actually has a push button, and you can actually rotate it around it any way you want. If you need like an angled, or if you want it straight up and down, really nice. It'll go any way you want it to. And then obviously on this side, like I told you guys, you have the squeegee. And if you guys ever have to change the squeegee out, the only thing you got to do is just pull off one side right here, and then the squeegee actually slides in and out. So that's really nice. So now that we have unboxed this, we're actually going to be able to go outside and test it out because we got some snow today. One thing that I also want to tell you guys, this is super easy to put together. They actually have it labeled, so C will go to C. As you guys can see, here is this C, and here's this one. And then on this other side, you've got C and B. So B is right here, and you can pop it in, or you could just put the ice scraper right here if you wanted to. If you don't want it to be this long, you know, if you've got a smaller car and the smaller one will work for you because it still has the extension on it, you can do that. And then A is right here, and this one says A. So as you guys can see, super easy to put together. And probably if you wanted to, you can honestly use this pole for the brush, and then you could actually have this pole for the scraper if you wanted to. So now, after we've unboxed this, I'm going to show you guys Joy Tituss's film that they made, kind of showing off their new snow brush. Alright guys, so now that you've seen their video, let's go ahead and we'll jump outside and we'll actually use it ourselves and test it out and see how good it does. Alright guys, so as you can see, I've got you on my GoPro mount on my head, so let's go ahead and we'll test this thing out, put it together really quick. I'm going to show you guys C to C. We'll go ahead and we'll pop in the sharp scraper like that, pop in B to B right here, and then we'll go A to A right up here. And then obviously we got our gloves and stuff, not going to use those right now. We've got our setup out here. As you guys can see, we've actually got a little bit of snow today, so we'll see how this brush works. Works really good, clearing all the snow off, as you guys can see right there. Clearing it all off. And now we're going to go ahead, you guys can look at it really quick. Now we use our scraper right here on this side. We've got our sharp edge. Look at that. Easy, good leverage right here because you've got this long handle. And look how far out you can go because of the extension. So great product here. Great product. And then now you can switch right back to your brush and swipe it away. Really easy, and look how clear that got the windshield. Most of the time when I use these scrapers, it leaves behind a lot of the ice and stuff, so it really doesn't do that good of a job. But this one, it's clearing it off really good using that straight edge right there like that. And we'll actually go up front right here really quick, and I'll show you guys if you can still see up here. I know it's kind of dark, but you can take this edge, grab it right here, and as you guys can see, you just slide it right between your blade and go down. And it gets all that ice out from between your blades so your windshield wipers will work. So that's pretty much it for today's video. That product was actually really good. As you guys know, I don't care who sends me out products or anything like that. I'm going to test them like they need to be tested, and I'm going to review them and give you guys a true review regardless if they give me something or not. So with that being said, I was gonna, criticize it a little bit if it didn't have, like a bag or, different things like that. But they give you a carrying bag. They give you gloves. They give you a towel, and that's things that normal people are not going to give you. And the ones at the store, like let's go say you go to Walmart and get one or anything like that, it's going to be just like this, and you're not going to be able to take it apart. You know what I mean? And how are you supposed to store that in your truck? Or, I mean, in a truck it would be pretty easy, but in a car, small sports car like mine, I can't store that in the back of my seat. It just looks big and gawky and stupid in the back. So what's really good about this is they do give you that bag that you can break everything down and put it in. And you've seen how quick I put it together. It only took like maybe 20 seconds to put together. So, and you don't even have to put all the parts together if you don't want to. You can just put one of the little extension handles on it and just go. So I do think this product is a really good product. If you guys are looking for a snow brush, or if you're wanting to get your parents one for Christmas or anything like that, I would definitely say check this one out. Like I said before, I'll leave a link down below, so it'll be easier for you guys to find. And I just want to help you guys out and show you guys some good products. I know sometimes it's hard looking for different things. I know when I'm looking for different things for our garage that we're building right now, it takes me a while to like research lights and heaters and different things like that so I can make you guys cool videos. But once I do all the research and all that work, you guys will be able to get, you know, the benefit off of it. You guys will know from my experiences. I might buy something that's crappy and I'll let you guys know. But with this, like I said before, a really good product. And hopefully their next product that we're going to review is the smaller ice scraper. Hopefully it'll be just as good. But anyway, guys, thank you again for watching the video. I hope you liked it. Please like the video if you haven't. Make sure you subscribe to the channel. We'll be doing more reviews like this. So hope you guys stick with us for that. Peace out, and remember, build your masterpiece.